Repeatability is a huge advantage with the JCC. CNC controls and the FANUC controls that we use, and we're using actually the 2023 model, so it's all touchscreen. So it makes it very user-friendly. Myself, I can actually sit down in front of it and explain to a customer how to use it, not being a programmer, just reading the prompts on it. Most CNCs, there's 300 buttons on the thing, and I have no idea what I'm supposed to be pushing. That's the huge advantage for people like us. With that, the repeatability is within 80 thousandths. So what's different were the robot and box companies, they actually use a robot. Well, robots will actually have a droop. And that problem is it's not repeatable, okay? CNC control, there's no droop. It's gonna be within 80 thousandths every time. And that way the customer knows they're gonna get the same consistency other than when you would have a human element or a robot to do it.
So the JCC has a lot of advantages, the way that we see it. First of all, and I'm sure you're going to show some pictures of the machines, it's a pretty compact design. So we often fit real nicely in automation lines with robots and cells or gantries or however they want to do it. We're pretty flexible with how we can get parts in and out of our machine, whether any type of automation. We've kind of done it all at this point. What's also flexible is our filtration system. So we're a closed loop system. We recirculate all the water. So we've got a tank, obviously, and a high pressure pump that sits behind the machines. Well, that can sit directly behind the machine, but if you don't have that space, we can move it over here. We can move it to the right. Really kind of unlimited with what we can do to try and help our customers fit it in their floor space. The other thing that's really convenient about this machine, we're doing quite a bit of it here recently, is retooling. So you've got this setup that's basically looks like a vertical machining center with a fourth axis.